Today, we're diving into the realm of innovation with the latest flagship offering from Samsung, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This powerhouse promises to redefine your smartphone experience in ways you've never imagined. So, buckle up and let's explore what this device has to offer. First up, let's talk about the centerpiece of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, its stunning display. Boasting a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, get ready to immerse yourself in crystal clear visuals like never before. With a jaw-dropping resolution of 3088x1440, every image and video comes to life with unparalleled clarity and detail. And rest assured, Samsung's advanced M113 OLED panel, fortified with Gorilla Glass armor, ensures durability without compromising on aesthetics. Now let's shift our focus to the camera capabilities of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Say cheese to the 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera, perfect for capturing flawless selfies that are Instagram-ready in an instant. But the real magic happens on the back, where you'll find an impressive array of lenses. From the groundbreaking 200-megapixel primary lens to the versatile 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and not forgetting the game-changing 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with a mind-blowing 10x optical zoom. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a casual snapper, the S25 Ultra ensures every shot is nothing short of spectacular. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking across all regions. Say goodbye to sluggishness and hello to effortless navigation. With a generous 12 gigabytes of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes to a hopping 1 TB, courtesy of USS 4.1 technology, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your apps, games, and media. But what good is power without endurance? $1,299. But remember, innovation comes at a cost, and for those who demand nothing but the best, the investment is well worth it. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the future of smartphones with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the S25 Ultra, or do you have reservations? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, peace out.